Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Now today I'm not unboxing anything, it's clearly already out of the box. Today's video is about understanding the quality of the Aurender A1000. In an industry swamped with high-end streaming computers, where often you're just buying some software, or you're just buying some overrated expensive hardware that's clunky to use and you end up with a license for something to try and keep it under control. Aurender have brilliantly created a synergy between the quality of their hardware and the quality of their control software. Not from just a user interface, which is brilliant, by the way. Really easy to create as a playlist, really easy to combine the music that you have and the music you want to go find via Tidal or your streaming services. But also every element of the control software on board to preserve the file and ensure that the music is bit perfect when being rendered into the DACs. And that's the collaboration that Aurender has done perfectly. Nevertheless, if you want to see the unboxing and all the accessories, check out the video here. We've got a silver one, so you'll get an opportunity to see it in the flesh in both colourways. Nevertheless, this is the black unit. Looking at it just rudimentarily, it's got a standby on-off input and output selector. Again, the details, you go see that video. It's got an excellent full colour display, and it pops up and lets you know the track information, what it's doing from a download perspective, everything. And then a rotary encoder and some basic inputs. So the buttons on the back, by the way, front, skip, forward, play, pause, skip back, and then bring up the playlist. From a build quality perspective, it's worth mentioning that even the feet have been brilliantly well designed and have a cork foot to eliminate surface vibration. Nevertheless, we're here to have a look at it. We've got the side, which is extruded for cooling, and then the back with the analog outputs, the digital ins and outs, along with an HDMI and other things. You can put an SSD drive, there's Bluetooth and other things on board, and you can even have an external drive for USB-C. But the reason we're sharing this video today is because I want to show you how beautiful it is inside. Firstly, it's important to note no expense has been spared as far as the quality of any of the critical elements inside. There are 3 toroidal power supplies. The first and largest is actually to supply the very clean power associated with its operating system. You see excellent quality caps, twin fuses and rectification associated with its power supply. Then we see its main operating board, which is supported with the optional external drive. In here we've got the cache hard drive associated with associated with downloading the music and storing it. It means it eliminates any of the network noise associated with things, and it means that skipping and so on needs no buffering or delay between tracks, because with 120, 130 gig of cache, it means it's got your entire list already downloaded, ready to go. Its operating system is supported with a quad-core processor, so it's very, very snappy, and it's really, really easy from an operational perspective to see how quickly this operates. It performs elegantly, simply, with no real delays. In fact, once it's on, that's it. You would expect, in fact, it's probably snappier in operation than any CD, being able to skip quickly between a couple of tracks. So that's brilliant. The second 2 power supplies are for the completely Dual-Mono AKM DACs. Now they run at extraordinary bit rates to oversample and upsample all of the information. They'll run DST to the highest level, they'll run absolutely anything as far as its processing. Nevertheless, these 2 toroidal power supplies, you see a bank of 4 fuses, and then gold caps associated with, these are some of the best caps available in our industry, and then individual heat sinks and transistors associated with regulation of that power. Then, completely independent physically, we have the DAC board. You'll see complete independent circuits. And by the way, as always, hang around for the photographs of this product. I'll always take some close-ups, so please hang around. You'll see some of these extraordinary products with some close-up detail. Nevertheless, we see the dual mono power supplies, dual caps, and then dual DAC outputs. Here, centrally, we see what I would guess is the Bluetooth side of things, and then the audio control and processing associated with the files it needs to sample and upsample. Again, the circuit topography is utterly perfect, completely separates the front control from the rest of its operation. Independently fused, independently powered. Each of the outputs is linked as beautifully as possible to the input versus output associated with the DACs and the inputs to utilize the DACs on board. So there we have it, a look at how superbly built this Aurender A1000 streaming server is. Again, hang around for some of the close-up photographs as we dive into the quality of this brilliant streamer from Aurender. First look here at the listening post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.